Hey! Rainy day today.
I will become busy.
So rainy day. I was busy all the day in a classroom. There was no time to film anything, and there was also like a kind of not really a weather to film something. So that's why today's episode will be combination of something I've been filming before, but yeah, something. And tomorrow we will be back to the normal vlog again.
Yeah. Maybe Martin will include some underwater videos, which I made.
Yeah. Just to give you a nice Saturday feeling.
Yeah.
You are my sunshine on a rainy day. You are the one who takes my breath away. In the vast skies of love, I'm free. As long as you're here with me. I surrender my heart. I was yours from the start. Together we will be stronger than all. We can sway but never fall. You are my sunshine on a rainy day. You are the one who takes my breath away. In the vast skies of love, I'm free. As long as you're here with me. Sunshine, hey, you are my sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. You are my sunshine, sunshine on a rainy day, sunshine on a rainy day.
Soon here will be a river. All the small streets which goes to the sea. So that's when it's a rain season in a February and January, February, then they are turned into the rivers. So this is actually not the street, it's just the river bed, and so yeah, all is floating to the sea. And maybe you saw from the from my Instagram. I will post that video. It was incredible, actually. People were carrying the motorbikes over the river. Oh, not the river, but this one, right? And some cars just sank down. The current is so strong, and yeah, but the sea is flat, completely flat. Look at this.
Ocean is so calm. I would like to go to dive today, but
You cancelled it?
yeah, because Tonya, she cannot come,
Okay.
and you will be busy with editing, so I will not go alone.
Yeah, it's not a good idea to go alone.
But you see, no any people today.
Yeah, this is a kind of sunset time and it's usually packed with the people. But today, of course, because of the rain. I have actually a funny story in the Philippines. There was like one of the people didn't come to the work, and the boss sent a message, "Where are you? Why you are not at the work?" And he got the answer, "It's rainy outside." So for the local people it means if it rains and everything is cancelled. I love it because it's like a shower, like a light shower. Actually, it's not really a rain, it's just a little bit like sprinkling or whatever you call it in different languages, but that's what exactly it is.
Do you hear thunder?
And a thunder, yeah, the thunder, it's boom, 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 making a sound.
But today is some ceremony day. I think many locals went to ceremonies.
And it looks that it's the end of the salt season as well. Because if there is a rain, it's not enough time to evaporate the water. So I can see that they still preferred here, but again now there is a lot of water coming in, and it means it will just disappear. Yeah, but this is only the first day of the rain, so probably there will be there's still some, so probably there will be, I don't know, maybe all the November will be sunny and then the salt season can continue. Okay, thank you very much for watching and see you tomorrow again. Bye!
Bye!